Regal 2665 Commodore, 36,950, 2004, powered by single Yanmar 240 diesel through stern drive, toilet, shore power supply, electric windlass, holding tank, range of navigation equipment, striking black hull and canopy, bathing platform. Sports cruiser with a desirable low air draft. So it's got a low draft. So what does that mean? She'd be rolly at sea. So she's just really just for cruising. It's got electric windlass there. Nice hatch. Drinks holders at the front. Look, looks like you could probably sunbathe on that bit. See, it's a bit grippy there. You'd be able to put your towels on there and sunbathe. What's this here? Bit of mesh. What is that for then? I don't understand why there's a bit of mesh over it. A Regal bathing platform, look. Be nice in the there's a 2665, so diesel. Is that a pipe down there? I don't know. Regal, not too bad. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Doesn't look too bad. 26. How much was it? Lots of money. A lot of money, Daniel. Let's just have a little sneaky peek inside if I can just get my hand in there. Trying to, things are getting cold now. Trying to drop the GoPro. What we got there? Too bad. There's the canopy up there. Nice seat in there. A lot of fun. Right, done it. There's the access companion. Got a nice lockable sort of access down there. Nice new canopy. That's what these are for. 37 Commodore.